Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohammed Yousuf and you're watching Talk with Khan YouTube channel. So if you're watching me for the very first time, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that notifications reach early on your cell phone. So we are back with bang and we have come with another great topic which really going to help you a lot and help you to leverage your skills and mindset. So let's get started. Hi Mujahid, how are you?
Okay, hi everyone, and welcome back once again with Mr. Khan. And right now, as Khan asked me how I am feeling absolutely on top of the world. There is no second thought about it, and
So
I'm feeling great. I look forward to you for the great learnings, or you can say about transforming the thoughts. So how we can shift from our paradigm to that desired level of thinking pattern.
okay, that's great, Mujahid. So let's get started with today's discussion. As per my little bit review on Instagram, there are a lot of people who are talking about money because, uh, almost all 30 plus people are have been almost settled, and still there are few people of those age as well as they are looking for change. They are looking to increase their skills. They are looking to increase their mindset or the money. So even the students, the graduates who are actually uh, being graduated recently, or the students who are actually in end of the college, they are planning how they can earn money, how they can live a better life. So so now I thought like we'll be discussing on that, and Mujahid is having a very good experience based on this, like how to make money, how to manage money, and lot more. So with respect to this, Mr. Mujahid, my question is, my very first question is like, how exactly if a person, if a student who actually is graduating, and how he can actually, even if he enters in a particular job and he wants to make money, and not only make money, how to manage money and how to leverage those money into an extra amount, and where exactly if he needs to invest anywhere, if he want to do something so that he can increase that product or increase that value of money. So over to you, Mr. Mujahid.
Thank you. These are great questions and very debatable, and is very people are confused about these things. And recently, I have posted one reel on my Instagram, Mujahid Official One. There is about money rules. Money rule is all about if you want to either you can work for money or you can work for income. Now the question comes: what is the difference between work, income, or money? Money means it comes when you put your effort to get something. Say about job, you go for the job, you work for it, and you come back month end, you will get the salary. That is money because you're working for money. Because you have to physically involve to get something in return. That's come money. If you don't work, you will not get money. Whereas the income part, income comes not from your effort, it comes from through the system. You're not working for money, you're working in the system, working for the system, working to create a system. So the system can generate an income permanently, regularly, lifelong, and it increases, it multiplies into 10x. So now you have a 24 hours. Either you work yourself for money, or you, out of 24 hours, you work for the system or in the system. So system will give you some returns. That's called income, or that's called revenue. So both are the things are there. The moment you start getting money, both the way the money will come to your bank account only. Only 95% focus on working for money, whichever the way, whatever they do, either a doctor, or engineer, or a professor, lawyer, advocate, or running a shop, or creating something, blah blah blah, whatever it may be. The moment you create the mindset in the morning, go work for money, That means that you are locking. Out of your 24 hours, you are working only for money. As long as you work for money, money comes to you. Field is your choice. But only 5%, they don't get up of mindset of working for money. They get up and do go out of 24 hours, they work for the system or in the system. In any idea or product or services. Depends. Everything is that to get money, you have to sell three things. Either your product or your idea or any services. Right now, I am selling my services, my coaching, my self-education services. I'm selling it. Through this, I am getting return. But where I'm working through the system or working myself alone, the system will give you even when I sleep. But when you work for money, only when you work, only you will get. Out of 24 hours, you cannot work 24 hours. Hardly you work 10, 12, 15 hours. That's all. You need, after that, you need a rest, you need a privacy, you need blah, 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 whatever it may be. So as a youth, if you develop at this engage, if you understand these money rules, a psychology behind money, you can shift your paradigm from money to the income. And most people will ask me, so what about the profits? Yeah, you set up a shop, you buy some product from ABCD company or ABCD product, you sell to someone who needs that. So the difference is selling a transaction, dealing with the product, that's called profit. If the more sales, profit will go, so you can manage your expenses. The profit, the sales is less, you cannot manage your expenses, so the loss will happen. I'll give you an example. See, you are set up in a shop, say about a grocery shop. You buy multiple companies' product in a wholesale price and you sell it to the retail people for the retail price. If the turnover goes up, you will make profit because you have a fixed expenses are there. You have to pay rent, you have to pay management, you have to pay salary, you have to maintain, everything is there. If suppose 1 lakh rupees that you are monthly concrete, you have to give every month. If the business itself 1 lakh rupees, that means the business, that transaction is a loss. To cover this unit at 10 lakh turnover, for example, that means that you are managing 20 lakhs turnovers, means you are making profit. 30 lakhs you are making a little more profit. 50 lakhs you make little more profit. Even 5 lakhs means you have to pay from your capital, from your pocket, from your home. That's a loss. So that is a profit and loss. It happens for any business, anything. Whereas the job people go work for money, get money. Work for money, get for money. That's called a rat race. Because they sleep for the money, they get up for the money. So that's how you need to shift our paradigm from whichever level you want to go. It becomes you have to speak through the desire, speak for the desire, work for the desire. So desire is everything. So dream is everything. Unless until you develop the dreams and desire and you work for the basic needs. Now you get up in the morning, you have a mindset, do you want a basic life or you want a desired life? In my book, always speaks about in my life of Buddha to Buddha, I always speaks about desire, not basics. So shift the paradigm. If you want to make big money, then think to work with the system, for the system. So you can generate revenue or income, lifelong and incremental income. System works 24 into 7, 365 days into multiple years. The system you have to create because it's in your hand. But you don't know, you have to learn it. That's it. You cannot give excuses. I didn't know, nobody has told me. That's a layman's language. That means that you need to unlearn things in a different perspective. Not about filling information which is already predefined through the content in the name of multiple courses. So we call it as a graduation, a double graduation, a triple graduation, a PhD, blah, 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 blah.
So
Yes.
that's wonderful, Mr. Mujahid.